Welcome back to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this video we will show you how to create tables in LusoCAD. To do this, we activate the table command by going into the Annotation ribbon or typing table in the model view. This is the Table Insertion window which will show up when we activate the table command. Here we can choose the table style and the number and size of columns and rows. We can start by creating a new table style by clicking on this button. Input a name. Here we can preview the table style we will be creating. Tables are comprised of three basic elements: header, title, and data. We can choose which element we want to edit in the drop-down menu. And we can customize them by General, Text, and Border tabs. You can change the text and fill color, alignment, margins, text style, and borders. Now that we saved and selected our style, we can click OK. Now use your mouse to place the table. You can double-click each cell to type text, and we can further edit the text by clicking on it, changing font, size, etc. Now, if we want to add or delete rows and columns, we can do so with the floating table toolbar. Click on the row or column we want to add next to and select Insert Row or Column. We can choose right or left for columns and top or bottom for rows. We can also delete rows or columns. Now, we can also merge cells by using this toolbar. Just select the cells you want to merge and click the Merge Cells icon. If you want to only merge rows or only columns, click Merge by Rows and Merge by Columns respectively. If you are merging both columns with rows, click Merge All. Finally, we can also lock cells, making them unclickable to edit their contents, their format, or both. We have these options by clicking this icon. That was all for the table command. Keep watching to learn more annotation options in LusoCAD.